Hi, welcome back to Mud Pie Fridays. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple tomato risotto with our newfound favourites, Quorn Crispy Nuggets. It's the ideal meal for after school because it takes less than 30 minutes to prepare, and these things are fabulous because one, they live in the freezer so they're totally convenient, but they're also high in fibre, high in protein and low in saturated fat. So how does the recipe go? So things that you need for this meal are the Quorn Crispy Nuggets, a little bit of olive oil, couple of cloves of garlic, a couple of onions if they're on the small side or one large onion, passata 500 ml, some Italian herbs, 500 grams of cherry tomatoes, some vegetable stock, 500 grams of rice, risotto rice, pepper, and also we use free from mozzarella cheese because my little one is dairy intolerant and that's also vegetarian. Right, first of all you need to drizzle the tomatoes with some olive oil and put them in your preheated oven of 180 degrees with a fan. The tomatoes need to stay in the oven for around 10 minutes. Put some oil in a pan, dice 2 small onions or 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Add the garlic and the onions to the pan and saute. Add the bouillon, the Italian herbs and the pepper. Add the rice and stir until it becomes translucent. Take the tomatoes out of the oven so that they go to the risotto and turn the oven up to 200 for the crispy nuggets. Add the passata. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Check in occasionally, add more liquid if required. While the risotto is cooking, put the Quorn Crispy Nuggets on a preheated baking tray and place in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Sprinkle the mozzarella over the top and enjoy! So as you can see, Quorn Crispy Nuggets are a massive hit in the Mud Pie Friday household because there's none left on this plate. They're all in this tummy.